Melbourne's West has been the home of Victoria University for over a century. The West of Melbourne Charter formalises the bond VU has with our heartland and publicly commits to a set of core commitments. It will inform and continue VU's work with the 7 local government areas, along with key industry and community partners. Through the Charter, VU is forging a future pathway with a renewed focus and commitment to Melbourne's West. We are creating true value and opportunities for our local communities as an innovative, leading education provider that collaborates with local communities to create true value and opportunity. And we look forward to further strengthening our connection to Melbourne's West. I'm pleased to officially launch the West of Melbourne Charter, and I would like to introduce Peter Dawkins, Liz Beattie and Jim Williamson, who will be talking about the Charter's important commitment.
The West has grown from a community of around 300,000 or 400,000 up to around 1 million. And it is a very diverse community, but it's also a very young one. And this social element has been a really key aspect of Vic Uni in making sure it provides courses and programs that are geared there.
I think there's no doubt, Peter, that the West is going to be the real powerhouse of Victoria. We see the big projects happening in Victoria, and VU is well placed to provide students for all those big projects.
Absolutely, and one of the other great things about the West of Melbourne is that the state government has designated a number of priority precincts, and we have Footscray, we have Sunshine, we have Werribee, hopefully in due course Melton. And Victoria University is present. We see ourselves playing an important leadership and partnership role in fostering these exciting innovation, employment and cultural precincts. Sort of cultural diversity is really at the essence of the new Australia, isn't it? And VU epitomises that more than any other university that I've ever been at. And those sort of cross-cultural skills that people will need for the future, I think VU is a great place to foster those skills and that cross-cultural understanding with our Indigenous community, with all of those many cultures. International students add a dimension, but they're not as conspicuous as they are in many other universities because of the huge cultural diversity of the whole student population, and that's just such an exciting and vibrant place to be. Through the VUA, we've transformed our teaching and learning at Victoria University through the block model, through modern teaching and learning in the Polytechnic, which means that students from the West of Melbourne get an outstanding education, either vocational education or higher education. More and more students are choosing to come to Victoria University. That's going to be great for the West and for our reputation of having a great university and producing outstanding graduates. And in a way that's accessible to the whole population, any student from any background we cater for through our full array of tertiary education to foster those skills for the 21st century and prepare students to be work ready, tech ready and life ready.
Victoria University has a range of campuses right across the West of Melbourne, and those campuses just aren't learning spaces, they're community spaces and they're community destinations.
We need the West of Melbourne to be livable, sustainable, we need a healthy population, all of that sort of embedded in planetary health, and our research institutes and our teaching programs are trying to work together in a multidisciplinary way to ensure place-based planetary health across our whole region, and that really adds to the moral purpose of Victoria University.
Thank you, Victoria University, for your contribution and commitment to the West of Melbourne for more than 100 years. In launching this West of Melbourne Charter, you are placing the university at the heart of Melbourne's West and also renewing your commitment to work with the communities and industries that ensure the West of Melbourne students are fully equipped with the knowledge, skills and capabilities to be the creators of a sustainable and vibrant future for Melbourne's West. And we have shown in the West that when we work together, we are successful together and we can make great things happen. I am very excited and delighted about the future of the West of Melbourne. Thank you for watching.